Hello, welcome to Kennesaw State University's College of Graduate and Professional Education and the Anti-Fraud and Forensic Interview Specialist Certification Program. What we've done here is we have collaborated with the Georgia State Office of Inspector General in putting together a program not only for college students, but for working professionals with a practitioner's approach to education. And what I mean by that is we afford you, the student in this program, the basic building blocks to teach you how to become an effective fraud investigator and to also teach you how to excel in conducting effective interviews and interrogations in this specialized area of criminal investigations and civil investigations. Now, I'll tell you, forensic interviewing and economic crime investigations have always been hot topics in the investigations industry, whether you're in the private sector or the government sector. It doesn't matter. Reason being is, quite frankly, fraud is always going to be around. To that end, if you're new in this field and you're trying to break into this area, or you're a practitioner already in this field, I can assure you that the educational material and the information that's going to be brought forth to you in this program will benefit everyone and anyone. Allow me to take a moment now to address a potential concern or question that you may have at this point in time, which is whether you even qualify to be able to participate in a program such as this. In addressing this issue, allow me to say the following. First of all, you do not need to be an accountant, a CPA, a forensic accountant, or even an auditor to be able to not only participate in this program, but be successful at it. Reason being, quite simply, is this is an investigations program. It is not an accounting-based program. On the other hand, if you are in the field of accounting or auditing, or you're a forensic accountant, or even in the field of compliance, rest assured that this program will teach you how to develop your financial investigative skills, or if you are somewhat experienced in this field, it will teach you how to enhance those investigative skills. You will also learn what it takes to develop a good fraud case internally within your own company and externally for your company's clients, or in the case of law enforcement when it comes to prosecution purposes. More than that, you will also learn how to look beyond the numbers in all of your cases moving forward, rest assured. Now, if you're in law enforcement like I was, this program will definitely establish the building blocks and the foundational knowledge for you to learn how to establish a good criminal fraud investigation. You will also learn about the psychology of fraud offenders, and to that end, you will learn what it takes to conduct effective interviews and interrogations, not only of fraud suspects, but of white-collar crime suspects, because there is a difference. And by the way, this applies to private sector professionals as well. And more importantly, in this program, any trepidations, fears, myths that you may have about conducting fraud-related investigations will definitely be dispelled through this program. Now, allow me to say this. I've been in this business between law enforcement and the corporate security area, particularly within the field of fraud investigations, for 25 plus years. And I've enjoyed every bit of it. Fraud has been good to me. Now, let me clarify. I'm talking about from an investigative perspective, of course. To that end, the reason that this program has been established, as the instructor and developer of this program, my purpose was to establish a sense of uniqueness and also to show you how rewarding, how fun, how productive this career can be for someone like yourself. Now, keep in mind that this program is a one-of-a-kind program in the nation, and there's a couple of reasons for that. We have established a relationship with the Georgia Office of Inspector General in providing you anti-corruption investigation education. Also, keep in mind that in this program, you are receiving not only one, not only two, but 3 certificates, all designed in one program. So what that means is when you successfully complete this program, not only do you receive a professional certificate from Kennesaw State University, but you will also receive an Inspector General certificate in anti-corruption investigations, and you will also receive a certificate as an Associate Certified Forensic Interviewer from the International Association of Interviewers. Now let me ask you something. Do you see the benefit in advertising something like this on your resume, let alone on your LinkedIn profile? I think the answer to that question is pretty evident. In that regard, why don't you seize this opportunity and chance at taking advantage of a program such as this and affording yourself the professional recognition that you deserve that will set you apart from everyone else in the crowd through this program. The only question is, Are you ready to take on a rewarding career like this? If you answered yes to that question, then I look forward to seeing you in class. Oh, and by the way, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate in contacting us. I will also speak to you myself. Thank you and good luck.